It's a terrifying, I think, terrifying website. But what's funny is they have a little shopping tab, and I pulled it down, and the holiday shipping information says, and I'm not kidding you, if you order before December 19th, your satanic gift should arrive in time for the holidays.
Oh, wow!
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
The best way to listen to music? Using a pair of premium wireless earbuds. And Raycon's newest model, the Everyday E25 earbuds, are the best ones yet. 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, noise isolating fit, and it allows you to really hear everything that you're listening to. Plus, a 45-day return policy. So give it a try. Limited time, 15% off Raycon wireless earbuds at buyraycon.com/Beck. Limited time, 15% off buyraycon.com/Beck.
Pat Boone again for Relief Factor. I've read that pain is the #1 reason people go to the doctor, which I think is why Relief Factor is being so well received. And I'm here right now with Pete and Seth Talbot, who are the founders and owners of Relief Factor.
And we know, Pat, that most people really do want a 100% drug-free solution to their pain, like back or neck pain, shoulder, hip, or knee pain. And hey, Relief Factor is working.
As I was aging, the pain in my hips was getting worse and worse. When I started taking Relief, 8 o'clock on Friday night, I'm still at home. Why have we been anywhere?
Where do you line yourself?
It's unlimited free on business.
Time to kick off.
Oh, it's a noodle. Complete port within 6.
Most home security companies try and trap you with high prices, tricky contracts, and lousy customer support.